In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Instagram account on Whop. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of what to do. Verifying your Instagram through Whop not only adds authenticity to your online presence, but also helps in building trust with your audience and potential collaborators. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Whop account. If you don't have one already, take a moment to sign up on their platform. It's a straightforward process, and having an account is essential since it's your main access point for all verification activities. Once you've logged in successfully, you should see your main dashboard. Next, navigate over to the profile section. Here you'll find an option labeled Connected Accounts. This is an essential step as it's where you'll manage all your account connections, including Instagram. By going to the section, you'll be able to see all the accounts you're currently managing through Whop, making it conveniently all in one place. In the Connected Accounts section, look for the Instagram verification area. This part of the interface is specifically designed for setting up your Instagram verification. It should be easy to spot, but if you have any trouble finding it, there might be some helpful guides or FAQs on the page that can guide you further. Once you've found the Instagram verification section, follow the instructions provided to connect your Instagram account. This typically involves linking your profile or confirming your identity via Instagram itself. Ensure you are logged into the correct Instagram account to avoid any mix-ups. Whop might ask for certain permissions to verify your identity, so take care to read through any prompts or agreements before moving forward. After linking your account, you'll need to submit your verification request. This usually involves a simple click of a button once everything else is in place. A confirmation should appear, acknowledging that your request has been sent successfully. Make sure you verify that everything is correct before hitting submit. Now comes the waiting game. You'll need to wait for a confirmation from Whop regarding the status of your verification. Keep an eye on your email inbox or notifications from Whop for any updates. Usually, they will inform you promptly once a decision is made. Finally, once your request is approved, your Instagram account will be marked as verified on Whop. This mark signifies that Whop recognizes your account as legitimate, potentially opening doors for new opportunities and interactions on the platform. By following these steps, you should have no issues verifying your Instagram account on Whop. Remember, always double-check every step to ensure you're on the right track, and don't hesitate to reach out to Whop support if you encounter any hiccups along the way. Happy verifying!